gonna go make some more tea and question my life choices. You're up.
This is getting old fast, Dolores. Knock it off.
Look, do you really think calling me names is helpful?
I do. Your life is